Welcome to Vlogmas.
It ain't even cold outside, now where I'm from.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Welcome to this Christmas. Yeah, see it goes.
One time for the birthday king, 2 times for the birthday queen, 3 times for the birthday.
Bye. Good morning, guys. Welcome today. Basically, it's day 1 of Vlogmas. Because it is December 1st, so happy December 1st! Oh my god, guys, I am super excited for Vlogmas. I hope you guys enjoyed the Vlogmas intro. Alright guys, so it is day 1 of Vlogmas, and yes, I'm in a elf hat or whatever this is with a bell and all. I look like an egg, but hey. Anyways guys, so I just want to say welcome to Vlogmas and tell you guys how I'll be doing Vlogmas. So basically I'll be vlogging for pretty much the entire December, and even on some days I will give you guys like sit down videos, because I do have a video that I had planned for like a collab with somebody, and I have that video to upload on Thursday, so I will be uploading that. So you know, some days I will have, like when I know a vlog will be a little bit short, I will actually do a sit down video in it, or you know, like hauls and stuff like that, just little things. So my Vlogmas is almost always different from everybody else, as I said, and this year is no different. So I hope you guys enjoy. And guys, so for this Vlogmas I have a few things that I will be doing. So I will be doing post notification shout outs, as well as motivational comments of the days, because we all need motivation throughout this time, especially in this kind of Christmas. We have not ever been in a Christmas like this, and I know it's kind of stressful for some, and so each day I will take a motivational comment from down below. So you guys, if you want your comment to be in this video or in the videos, you have to comment it down below. In order to get a post notification shout out, just remember you have to be subscribed, click the notification bell, and comment down below done, or you can comment #notification squad. So those are the 2 things I have. And guys, don't forget, if you guys have anything you guys want me to do for this Christmas or anything like that, don't forget to comment it down below. We are gonna be having a great time this Christmas, and I'm super excited to spend my entire month with you guys. So yeah, let us get back into this Vlogmas. I love you guys. Alright guys, this is Mama. Lift up those that me show them us for the Vlogmas day 1 breakfast. Mommy, lift up them there for me now. So we have eggs.
That's my breakfast. Oh my god! I can vlog my birthday breakfast.
Oh yes guys, so this is the Vlogmas day 1 brekkie. Watching my sister vlog live.
I'm your girl Sassy Shed. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Welcome to Vlogmas.
Alright guys, so right now I am currently doing some editing for my sister, as well as I'm at class. I am, you know, I uploaded my work to my classroom and all of that, just awaiting, you know, like responses and so on. But yes, Vlogmas is off to a great start. Alright guys, so right now I am going to get ready. So let's do a transition into me getting ready. Alright guys, so this is what I've been wearing. I'm wearing this blue shirt. Well, blue and black and yellow and whatever that is, with my black pants and some black shoes. I'm gonna work, so I have to look kind of professional, so yeah. Anyways, all right guys, so I'm now leaving home. Hi Shan. So I'm heading up to my workplace and I'm gonna do some work, so yeah, I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Hi guys, so it's like currently after 3 thereabouts. Sorry for the sun in the background, but I'm heading home. Just got some work done. I keep on, I feel like somebody behind me, I don't know why, but anyways, I am gonna head home, but I'm gonna stop like in the town and buy some stuff and then head home because I have practice this evening at 3:30. I knew I was gonna be late, so but I'm heading home. Hi guys, we are at practice right now in the afternoon. We have all these ugly people with me. I have Shanique over there, I have Chad, I have all of these ugly people. That ugly girl right there, that one right there, and the one beside her, whatever push up, and those two nincompoops, and that one around there, so that pretty one around there, so, and Chinita around here, so you guys have been loving the intro and I'm super happy for that because I've been super excited for this, so yeah, let me see if I can show you guys the sunset. Look at that, oh my god, look at that, look at that. Hi, say welcome to Vlogmas. No, say it to me now. Say welcome to Vlogmas. Manager. Then not hear you. Say welcome to Vlogmas.
Looking for flowers.
Welcome
Welcome.
to Vlogmas.
Flowers.
Your hands are too tiny. Come, we're looking at yourself. See? Yay! Woo! Come, say welcome here now. Say welcome to Vlogmas.
Welcome to Vlogmas.
These people that don't watch my vlog, I just put them in there same way. Say welcome to Vlogmas.
Welcome to K-Mas.
You know I don't like you? It's Vlogmas. Let's see if these people want to say welcome to Vlogmas. Say welcome to Vlogmas. Say hi. Introduce yourself. Who are you? Look what I'm showing mommy what you're doing. Christmas time. Say Christmas time. No, Christmas time. You know, I said for yourself. Alright, say it again. Let me go say hi to these people out here. Hi. Say welcome to Vlogmas.
Welcome to Vlogmas.
Who are you? Anything you want to say? Hi. Welcome to Vlogmas.
Hello, I'm Brianna.
Brianna and Brianna. Who you be? Who you be? Who you be? Tell him now. Oh, I'm thinking run God. Sure. Anyways, yes, we're at practice and stuff. Hi. You want to catch me fit? Yeah. Hi.
Just get your feet more.
Yeah. Ugly people in our place. Ugly people. Ugly people. Anyways, bye. We're gonna dance. Come, these are this. Come. guys, right now I'm going to, you know, sit down and eat some dinner, and I am also gonna do some work. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. It was great having this experience of this day one. Guys, it's the end of day one. Vlogmas day one is over. It's ended so quickly, not gonna lie. But yeah, today's motivational comment comes from yours truly, and it says, push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you. And this is from success.com. Don't forget, if you want to get your motivational quote said on the channel each day, I will be choosing one from the comments, so you need to comment it down below. As well, I'll be doing post notification shout outs. So today's post notification shout out goes to Jelani Star TV, Life of Dominic Awesomeness, and Sassy Shine. If you guys would like to get a post notification shout out, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell so you're notified every time I make a video, and go down in the comments and either you write done or you write hashtag notification squad. All right guys, this is the end of my video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.